hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. I'm Aisha and welcome to another episode of Wig Wednesday. Today's wig, once again, is from Outre as usual, and this is a part of their melted hairline lace front wig collection. I got her in the style Katika. She is in the color Honey Brown and 30 inches. Katika includes baby hairs, a pre-attached wide elastic band, which means she is glueless, and she is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. This is a synthetic unit, but you are able to use heat on her. Y'all, I don't know what else to post. I have so much going on lately, and I have so many different channels and like pages to post on. So it's like, I'm not sure which one to prioritize. So if you guys have any video ideas, let me know. Some of you requested a wig video on one of the units that I usually wear. It's a human hair unit. I will get that to you. I'm just still trying to figure out where I got it from. That wig was sent to me, so I like can't find the email of who sent it to me, but she's out of her package, kind of. This is the little card that she comes with. Comes in a lot of different colors too. A lot of different colors, as usual, as they always do. Rip her on out. Oh, okay, she's long. I know it said 30 inches, but still. Good golly. Okay. So as I said, she does come with a wig band attached inside, which means you are able to make her a glueless unit, which y'all know I'm about to do, as usual. This is Yaki textured, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it says on her little card. Let me see if it has a texture. So I do believe this is a Yaki texture wig. I don't think it shows. Okay, it doesn't say, but it definitely is giving Yaki, which is not a bad thing. I actually like Yaki textured, or if you have like Afro textured hair, pinkier hair, then I do believe that this Yaki style is nice. It does feel more natural, and it looks more natural than, like, you know, just having like that bone straight. Because I don't know about y'all, but my hair don't get bone straight. It does not get bone straight. But here's what she looks like. She's a little staticky right now, but I'm about to flip her on and get right back to y'all. Y'all, low key, I feel like with each wig that I get and that I show y'all, it gets better and better. Like, the camera's not even really doing it justice. Like this, I feel like Beyonce. Do I not look like Beyonce? Oh, okay. Do I not look like Lotto? Oh, okay. Like, oh my God, this is so cute. I feel like this is like the hair that I want like all the time. I love the dark roots. Then it like fades, and then there's also like multiple like colors going on. It's like a little bit of like honey brown, blonde, like, oh my God. I want to get this hair like human hair and a cute little sew-in. I feel like that would eat down. And like, look how long it is. I'm like 5'6", 5'7". This is my belly button right here. This is my belly button. It goes down to here. Show y'all from the back, like 30 inches. And I really like the Yaki texture because you can't even really see it, but it gives it this cute little like crimp effect. I noticed with Yaki hair. I love Outre synthetic wigs because you can wear them for so long if you like properly take care of them. Mind you, I get so many wigs, I don't even really be taking care of them like that, but like, they still last. I'm still wearing like a bob that I showed y'all like 5 months ago. If it was that long ago, I don't even know, but it was a while ago. I'm still wearing that wig to this day. Like, my cat's meowing, but like literally, she's so cute. Ah! I'm about to make TikToks. Oh yeah. Montage time, let's go. I don't need no sugar daddy. I got crystals on my dress. I keep the monsters out my room. And Palace Center in your nose if you try bringing down my mood. Staying fit, getting lit, swiping left, playing hits, spending big on custom Jordans. All my girls in fire fits, nice cheek. As usual, guys, that's the video. If you want more information on the wig, how to get it, where to get it, everything will be in the description box as always. Let me know if y'all have any other ideas, any other videos that you want me to do, or if there are any wigs that you've seen in previous videos that you want more information about. Let me know. I'm totally down to do that too. But yeah, hopefully I'll have some other content for y'all. I'm trying to do vlogs and other stuff. I just like, I've been busy. I've been busy. Like, I'll be surprised if this Wig Wednesday actually gets released on Wednesday tomorrow. I'll be shocked. I'll be surprised. I'm gonna try and do it for y'all, but yeah, love you all as usual. Bye. Stay tuned for the next video.